This is a 2010 Mazda CX-7. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, heated seats, 9 strategically placed speakers, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 57,000 miles. This Mazda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.